Welcome to the video. This is going to be a very important video for you guys today that I'm making, and I've got some very serious news that I'm going to show to you in this video about FTX and their dirty little secrets that you don't even know and that you're unsure of. So I highly advise you who are watching the video right now to stay until the very end to collect as much information as you can to have a better understanding of this market that you are currently playing. This goes out to every person who is interested in the crypto scene and or is also crypto trading daily, just like me. Let's go straight into the video, guys. Alright guys, so here we are on the Bitcoin chart. Now remember, make sure you guys watch until the very end. This is going to be some serious stuff that you will never ever hear anywhere else on YouTube. So here we have the current Bitcoin chart, and as we already know, we had a dump yesterday and the day before, causing Bitcoin to go below prices of 17.6k, which was the original bottom for Bitcoin. And everyone thought that we will never ever go below that level. And guess what? We have now. Now, as you can see, prices already reverted back to the mean reversion where the bottom is in at 17.6k, which gives you the opportunity to make a short position, which is what most likely a lot of traders will do, and they'll sell their positions here because they're officially out of the market and they are no longer interested in being crypto. Well, why has this happened, you might ask? Why are we going to these prices? Number one, we obviously have FTX saying that they are insolvent with having more assets than money because they cannot pay themselves with the money that they own. Now, I'm going to guys talk to you about something which is going to be very interesting about a manipulation and a dirty little secret that you do not know you are being currently played in by the bigger people in this industry. Now, let me guys play you a quick little video which I actually made myself back at 19.7k in Bitcoin. Let's have a look, guys. Like I said, FVG right here, that's the very top, so that needs to be filled, okay? From here to here, this needs to be filled all, so at this zone is what I'm targeting, 21.5k. So, as you can hear from my words, I am currently saying to you guys, I am targeting 21.5k. Let's go back out the chart, and back down here at 19.7k, we can clearly see that we topped out at 21.5k, as I mentioned, and let's continue listening to the video. And after this level is hit, I'm just targeting for 18k for all these people here who are in long position to be filled out. Do a sweep. Everything here is free money. This right here is liquidations. Oh, wait. So I predicted that people who are going to be longing this region that I'm currently making a video on will be all wiped out and liquidated. And that's going to be liquidity for big players to take advantage of and make their positions be more scaled in towards the future. And that's free money. This is the big players accumulating, smart money accumulates. Okay, but makes sense. Like I said, but FVG... Will that happen? Did that happen? Yes, it did happen. So guys, as you can understand now, I'm a person who knows this market very well and what people want in this market from you, such as a retail. So let me go into a little bit more detail within this manipulation, what I'm talking about, and how you are being played in the crypto space. Right now, I'm on the 4-hour chart, and as you can see, this is the level that I called for. Now, hence, right now, guys, you can see that formation with 3 tabs at the very top. You can see right here. Here is your first tab, here's your second tab, and here is your third tab. Now, not only is this a Wyckoff distribution pattern, which means that big players are distributing their coins to go somewhere else, hence why saying that these are going to be short positions of opening. And as you can see, we have 1 tab, 2 tab, 3 tab, with all tabs being above each other, and at the very end we have a small little consolidation where then price dumps after. And as you can see right here, here's your third tab, and then we have consolidation for a little bit, and then we continue to have the big dump, or should I say finale. Now, let's get into it. This person right here, named Adam Colhern, is actually a person who has got insider details in the crypto space, and I can prove to you right now. He tweeted out this specific tweet at November the 5th, saying that there are now rumors, apparently, of solvency issues from 2 different major exchanges. And we know which exchange that is. That's going to be FTX exchange. Let's copy this tweet right here and paste it into our chart to know whereabouts on this chart, on the timeline, he said this specific tweet. And as you can see at the very top of that range, we had these rumors apparently now being spread. Now, these rumors did not spread at the bottom where the price was going to go up. Now that the positions are in, they can make sure that now they can dump it as fast as they can. Now, this is just stage 1 of the FUD happening live. And now when the dump happens, I actually had a level right here at exactly 19.2k for a long position to be entering in. As you can see right here, we didn't touch that level and I didn't go long. As soon as we touched it right here, we had a scam pump towards the upside, and this is where there was a lot of exit liquidity from big players to make new short positions and or as well as that close their long positions. And then when that happens after, we also get a straight dump from that level all the way down to 18.2k, showing a little bit of strength, and then non-stop selling all the way down to 15.5k like last night. Now let me introduce to you guys some little tweets right here which are perfectly timed that will indicate to you that everything here is manipulated just for you to be out of your positions and for you to not be in the market anymore, just so they can fuck you up and use your funds to make sure their positions are always in. And so here we have Tier 10K on Twitter. You probably guys already know him by the media and everyone talking about him, and he's spreading out all the leaks and rumors, etc. Now let's add in this tweet right here, and this is going to be a very important tweet for you guys to understand, because this is going to be the very last push for them to be able to liquidate everyone they want and then collect their positions in for long. And as you can see, this tweet got tweeted out just before the next move happened. It says Binance is strongly leaning towards scrapping FTX rescue takeover. Now they gave us hope all the way down here on this bounce, basically saying that CZ is going to be helping FTX and making sure that he's all good and okay. But in reality, this was all part of the plan, just so you make a long position in this area at the range lows, and for them to spread FUD at the very end of that range and say that they're now scrapping, helping FTX, for them to push it all the way down here to 15.5k. And check this out as well, baby. Last night, FTX.com was down for about 5 hours, and the most funny thing about this is, check what the price of Bitcoin was when the website went down. Tier 10K tweeted out, and check this out for a play. The big players tweeted out saying that FTX does not work anymore, and now they literally start to scale in into long positions. And before you think this is all false, this is correct. Check for yourself. Tier 10K tweeted out FTX site no longer functioning. This was at the very tip top bottom of Bitcoin before the big play started accumulating in crypto. Now me, myself, and I actually longed Bitcoin at 15.5k for a long position. I'll show you right now. And as you can see that I'm not lying to you, entry price is at 15.5k, and it says Mazo Trades at the referral code, which is me. And the only reason why I longed is because I had some secret support zone levels that I wanted to long at, and I went ahead and did it because I was on my desk. So there we go, we are in from 15.5k, and literally it gets worse than this though. Watch. And as well as this, Wall Street Journal tweeted out saying that FTX was confirmed to be tapping into client accounts to fund their own risky trades. Now this essentially means that FTX itself and the exchange was using clients' funds to be making positions on Bitcoin, Ethereum. These guys were out here using your money just so they can execute their trades with more capital. Now let that sink in for a little bit. Number one, you cannot log into the FTX exchange. Number two, you cannot even withdraw your money out. And this is for a specific reason, because they need your money in that exchange, and if you withdraw, that means they cannot use your money to be able to long position in the market. Number four, check this out. We had news exactly at today 11 o'clock before US Open that Alameda was actually shorting USDT to depeg USDT and to create FUD. If you don't believe me, look at this. 8 hours ago, we had news saying that Tether's USDT stablecoin drops below 3% of its $1 peg. Now, what do I mean by this, and why is this significant for the market? Well, I'll tell you exactly why it's significant in the market. Effectively, if you can see right here, this is the USDT chart compared to the dollar and how much one USDT is actually worth. And as we can see, this is a scam dump on USDT, making its price fall just below 3%. And why is this important, and why is this all a part of a plan? And why is this all planned and part of a plan? Well, efficiently, USDT is actually used to make long positions and short positions in the market. And why would the big players want you to be scared of your holdings of USDT? Well, efficiently, if you are not holding any USDT, you are not making any trades. And when would they want to spread that rumors out to you that USDT is going to be dropping like that? And I'll show you why this was perfectly timed with USDT's news. The news was exactly here at the bottom when Alameda was shorting USDT and making the price go below $1. And as you can see right here, this here is accumulation. These are big players accumulating their positions for longs. And then today we also had a CPI report come in, which was, I don't even know what the numbers was, but then again, we used that as a catalyst to be able to pump the price higher into a new range, making you not be able to long Bitcoin at such ranges again at 16.3k. Now, I hope I can make sure that you understand what I'm saying to you, because this is even more important. As we can see right here, this is a Wyckoff pattern, which is used for accumulation phases and to understand where to be buying and where to be selling for big positions players. Now, since 36k Bitcoin, we can see right here that the accumulation phase started to happen for the first wave. We had 1, 2, 3 boxes, 1, 2, 3 boxes, and then top was came in. Then we have a box here in the middle, which is right there, as you can clearly see. And then your big box for a fast price move of a rectangle is your very last box for a next accumulation zone. And also, you might see right here at the point of time where we are right now, we are getting a dump exactly at the same time that this sheet tells us where we were getting a dump. And this is actually just a little bit underneath here, making their stop losses be taken, and that everyone who's in a long trade, make sure that their stop losses are taken and that new players are coming into the market, taking advantage of them. Now, eventually, what does this mean? What is going to happen to Bitcoin's chart and Bitcoin's price in the coming months, weeks, years, whatever? Well, if you watch this video right now and you are in the time of now making this video where I am in the same day, then most likely you will see something like this happen to Bitcoin, with price coming back into the range, retesting that same range, and for the price to go towards the upside like this and not even retest, it will not give you the opportunity to retest on that same range, and then for another leg up towards the upside. And guess what? A lot of people right here as well will be shorting the Bitcoin price because they think that they are still bearish and going towards levels of 14k, 12k, 11k, and whatever targets that they was hoping for that they didn't get and that they soon will, and they simply just won't get it. So when I make this video, guys, to inform you about Bitcoin, I want you to understand clearly that FTX is a scam and also Binance is a scam. Both of these guys agree to each other to make their positions be larger, and it's all a part of a plan so they can accumulate bigger positions. A lot of fear is in the market right now and a lot of FUD. These FUDs need to be spread out in the market so a lot of retail people can lose money so they can gain. The rich get richer, the poor get poorer. You'll never win if you don't understand how big players position themselves in the market to be accumulating in better prices than you do. So for the love of sake, when Bitcoin goes back above the range where the price is right now and goes to retest, I want you to buy some Bitcoin, or if not even now, and come back to me in a month's time, or within 2 months, or 6 months, or even 6 years. I don't care. And I guarantee you right now that 15.5k is the bottom, and you even notice right here that I actually longed 15.5k on my channel, and that I'm a guy who knows what the fuck I'm doing with charts and trading in terminology, with psychology as well, with people. And a lot of people will doubt me for what I'm saying in this video, but understand me, I am right, and there's nothing telling me that I'm not. Right here is pure evidence that everything I'm saying to you now, it will take place, and that most likely you will get fucking wrecked because you will keep shorting and trying to revenge trade because you didn't get in a long position at the very bottom like me. Anyways, I'm going to be working for a prop firm soon and making millions of dollars. I'm joking, I'm not, but I'll still be trading, guys, and making updates. So if you guys are new around here, please leave a like on the video and subscribe, post notifications. It'll help out a lot, and I'll, guys, teach you some more insider news and how to predict stuff like this in the upcoming future. And now, guys, peace out.